And so mabahleli, hey abantwana bami ngathi bangahlangana.
So when they are
Ngathi
sitting
family
down, they are always
ingahlangana.
thinking that I wish my
Ngathi
children
abantwana
could
bami
be
bangahlangana.
dead.
That becomes a challenge. The third challenge within the family,
Inselelo yesithathu,
carrying the burden of grandchildren and the children who should be taking care of them.
enye inselelo abahlangabezana nayo ukuthi bathwala umthwalo wokukhulisa izukulu nabantwana ukuthi kumele kube yibo ababanakekelayo.
Uthola umntwana ungakaqedi isikole,
You have a child without having finished school.
umshiya nogogo.
You leave him with granddad.
Omunye uthola omunye umntwana,
The other one gets a child.
umshiya nogogo.
They leave him with a grandmother.
Wena abazali bakho ngoba sebakhulile fanele bakubhadalele school fees
Your parents have to pay for your fees
nemali yepension.
with their
Mara
pension
bathengele
money,
nalomntwana ama-pampers.
and they have to buy nappies for the child.
Niyasibona istress. Niyasibona istress esibabangela sona. Phela angikhulumi nabo ngikhuluma nathi angithi ngifuna si-understand.
I'm not talking to them, I'm
Ngifuna
talking to
si-understand
us.
ukuthi phela abakhona ukuzikhulumela mina ngiyabakhulumela. Mina ngiyenza njani ngiyabakhulumela.
Amen.
So lalelani abantu abadala, you see, this time elderly people
Abantu
should
abadala,
be they should be enjoying the harvest of their labor.
kumele bavune lokho abakutshalile bajabulele izithelo zemisebenzi yabo.
Uyabona njengoba mhlambe ana 6 yabantwana abafana abayi4 namadodakazi ayi2, mhlambe umkhulu una 78, unkosikazi wakhe una 72, and bana 6 yabantwana, 4 boys, omunye udoctor, omunye uyilawyer, omunye uarchitect, omunye utishara. Basebenza 2 yamadodakazi, omunye uengineer, ushade no doctor, omunye you know it's a chartered accountant, ushade nomfundisi somewhere, you know bahleli bona. Omunye uhlala eCanada, omunye uhlala eAmerica, omunye uhlala eGhana, omunye uhlala eAustralia, omunye eNew Zealand, abanye la eSouth Africa. Funeke kube isikhathi sokuthi abantwana babangane ngabo. Abanye bathi hayi mama uza eAustralia, abanye bathi ha kunina zeAustralia baze America. Bona balokhu bathi hayi bantwana bami soteni out thina sizaza lani ufuna ukuthi size khona.
Elderly people want to be honored. They want their children to fight to honor them.
Bathi sisebenzile sibakhulisile
work,
abantwana
we raise them up,
sasogola
we
singana
struggle.
mali sibayise esikolweni silala singadlanga singakwazi ukuthenga impahla manje sebakhulile isikhathi sethu sokuvuna manje. But what is the problem? Isikhathi sokuvuna sikho kubo. Instead of bavune sidla khona la kule pension.
The problem, instead of them harvesting, we are actually eating from their pension.
Bayojabula nini bona?
When are they going to be happy?
Amen bazalwane.
Amen.
Hayi noma ningathi amen ngizoshumayela. Ba supporte wena.
They
Bathengela
supported
wena
you.
manapkin.
They bought you nappies.
Namhlanje ba supporta abantwana bakho.
Now they are supporting your children.
Bayoyidla nini imali yakho?
When are they going to eat their money?
Number 4, challenge number 4.
Inselelo yesine,
Abuse and victimization.
ukuhlukunyezwa.
Abantu abadala baya abuswa, baya victimizwa. in
Elderly
society
people have
today.
been abused, have been victimized.
The American Psychological Association says 2.1 million senior citizens are victims of emotional, physical, or psychological abuse each year.
Isifundisa esatholakala eAmerica sithi abantu abadala bahlukunyezwa ngokomphefumulo nangokomoya.
Abantu abadala, they are being abused.
Abantu abadala bayahlukunyezwa.
The signs of elder abuse includes, amongst others, the following. Here's how to see if they are abused.
Nazi impawu esizibonayo ukuthi abantu abadala bayahlukunyezwa.
Withdrawal from family and friends.
Umndeni ungasabi nawo.
Exhibiting feelings of worthlessness or powerlessness.
Ukuze sibenze ukuthi babonakale bangabalulekile.
These are the symptoms. Izimpawu ezikhombisayo ukuthi baya abuse. Number 1, they withdraw from family and friends.
Abayasuka emndenini.
Number 2, they exhibit feelings of worthlessness or powerlessness.
Enye impawu ekhombisa ukuthi bayahlukunyezwa bazizwa bangabalulekile.
Number 3, prolonged sadness.
Bahlale bakhathazekile isikhathi eside.
Number 4, refusal to eat.
Okwesine ubabona ngokuthi balukudla.
Number 5, signs that they are intimidated.
Okwesihlanu babonakala ukuthi ba-intimidateka noma khona umuntu obathusayo.
Sudden uncontrollable bowel or bladder habits.
Okunye ukuthi bangakhona ukuziphatha noma ukuzikhuza.
Unwillingness to speak freely in the presence of caregivers.
Okunye into abayenza ukuthi bayasaba ukukhuluma kulabantu ababanikekelayo.
Keep in mind that, however, that most of these symptoms can also be indicators of other physical or mental health issues.
Lezi mpawu esizishilo zingabonisa enye inhlobo yokuhlukunyezwa ngokomqondo.
Victimization.
Baba victimized.
Their monies,
Imali zabo.
the pension get stolen.
We still their pension money.
Siyabatshontshela. Batshontshela abazukulu. Uthola indoda ena-40 ithe mawuledi awungayi airtime.
You find a man who's 40 years asking his mother to give him money for airtime.
Laba banolwazi lwe-technology, umkhulu nkosi yami une-airtime ye-29 rand, usebenzisa i-cellphone umtshontshela i-10 rand out of 29 rand airtime.
You are stealing money from them.
Ngoba bakutrust bathi mntanami nali ikhadi hamba udraw imali yesinkwa. Mawufika le udraw yonke imali. Mrobi change umkhulu abantu nogogo. You know, all kinds of things.
Because they trust you, they give you their bank card and you withdraw all their money in their account. You rob them in their change.
We victimize them. We don't take them serious.
As baboni babalulekile.
I know. Niyamazi senimnike nickname. Ngoba sometimes shema bomkhulu nabogogo. Umkhulu nje uyazifuna ikhiya aziphethe ngesandla. Hey nina ziphi ikhiya zami? Alokaziphethe ziphi ikhiya?
Because of their old age. Sometimes we don't take them serious because they forget.
Uthola umkhulu abeke isigarette la phezu kwendlela. Kwayaka ikhaya. Kumanga ngikile ngikwayaka. Now, you know what we do? We make fun of them. We make jokes of them. But we are called now.
But don't forget also your day is coming. You also gonna get old.
We victimize them. We make fun of them. We don't take them seriously. Number 5. Here's the 5th challenge that they have. Lack of financial support. Very few children support their elderly parents. Amen angeke uzumtho. Amen. Yeah, manje pastor, yana bekahleka nokunginika imali ye school fees. Bekangangithengeli ne gym dress. Manje sewugugile, manje mina fanele ayibona inkinga la ikhona. Siya revenge angithi. Sisi we are so vengeful. Siya revenge.
Sifuna ukuziphendulela.
Ngoba mhlambe mawusasemncane unga understand uzitshela ukuthi uzoguga. Ngizomthola mase kagugile. Okay, manje sewugugile uzitshela ukuthi ya senyamthola ke manje. Squinch, it's payback time. You know what God is watching? Even if your father or your mother or your grandparents did you wrong, you don't repay them with evil.
noma abazali bakho bakwenze kabi awunalo ilungelo lokuthi wena uziphendulele ngokubi kibo.
Ayingiyeza ukuthi zilima ziyetsheni. Ya ngiyeza ukuthi ngempela nidonsa kanzima abazalwane. Ithini amen, say something.
Amen.
I mean, that's why nginesibindi sokushumayela lento. Nali khehla lami niyalibona. Dad, stand up. Niyambona, bhekani ithayi yakhona, bhekani. So, angikhuluma into engayenzi. Ngiyamazi uthanda izinto ezinhle.
I know what he likes.
Unamabhizinisi yakhe, una 4 yamabhasi. Angimthengeli ngoba ngeke akhona ukuzithengela. But ngoba ngifuna ama blessings. It's my time and my season to take care of him because he took care of me.
Ukuthi mina ngimnakekele ngoba naye uyaye wanginakekela.
Does it mean I never had problems with my dad? I sure have had problems with my dad, but he's my dad.
Noma ngibe nenkinga nobabami lokho akwenza ukuthi ngingamnakekeli ngoba
Are you
usese
listening to what
ubaba.
I'm saying? So into engiyishumayelayo, into engiyiphilayo. Every month ngiyambuza, baba uyile for a check up. Uphuzile amaphilisi baba. Because he's now my responsibility.
Manje
Ngoba
sekuwumthwalo
sewukhulile.
wami.
I need to look after him. Nabafowethu nabodadewethu sonke fanele simnakekele. Awu amen angimtholi amen. Lack of financial support. The last challenge before I come to the second point. The last challenge. Abantu abadala, they have this challenge. Fear, insecurity, and uncertainty for the future.
Banokusaba basabela ikusasa labo ngoba la abazi ukuthi libaphatheleni.
Abantu abadala esikhathini esiningi abazi ukuthi bongcatshwa ubani.
Basaba, they don't know who's going to bury them.
They are uncertain ngoba mababheka bathola ukuthi abantwana basekudeni akekho umuntu obanakelelayo. So they are so uncertain ukuthi kahle mangigula oro ngishona ngiyonakekelwa ubani.
Because children are far, they are not certain who's going to take care of them.
Those are the challenges they face. And wonke lama challenges coming together abalethela some of lezifo abalwa nazo.
With all these challenges
High
that
blood,
they have, it causes them to have
arthritis.
these psychosomatic diseases.
Another challenge engayisho futhi enye, it's guilt.
Enye inkinga ebaba nayo ukuthi babulawa unembeza.
Because maybe they made mistakes in the past.
Kungenzeka kukhona amaphutha
Maybe they made
abawenzile.
wrong decisions in the past.
Bathatha inqumo engezona.
And they have not made peace with the past.
And abazange balungise lamaphutha
And sometimes
abawenzile.
they feel that their children are victimizing them for the mistakes they have made in the
Kwesinye
past.
isikhathi bazizwela ukuthi abantwana babo bayabahlukumeza ngenxa yamaphutha abawenzile.
Therefore, they are uncertain as to what the future holds.
Lokho kwenza ukuthi bangazi ukuthi ikusasa labo libaphatheleni.
Do you know that elderly people need attention? They
Ngabe niyazi
demand attention.
Abantu abadala bafuna ukunakekelwa.
Bazalwane, abantu abadala mabakhula. It's a fact. Uma abantu abadala sebekhulile, baphenduka abantwana thina sibe abazali.
When elderly people grow old, they become children and we become elderly people.
Basaba injection, basaba amapilisi,
They are
basaba
afraid of
umuthi.
injection, they are afraid of...
Lento uma sakhula yithi besaba injection, yithi besaba imithi. Manje so thina now we need to play the role they used to play when we were still young. This is how God made it.
Amen.
Tina, this generation, I'm minding my own business.
Thina sithi sizibheke thina.
Yena kanti bekayenzani sonke lesikhathi asebenza angabhenki imali bekayenzani? Honoring our senior citizens.
Dusa abantu abadala.
My last but one point before we come to how to honor them.
iphuzu lami lokugcina ngaphambi kokuthi size ekuthenini
Let's
siphathisa
look at
kanjani.
their role in society.
Masibheke umsebenzi wabo emphakathini.
Do elderly people, do senior citizens have a role to play in society?
Ingaba abantu abadala kunomsebenzi abangawenza kunendima ebangayidlala yini emphakathini?
Are elderly people have a role to play in church and in society today?
Ingaba banomsebenzi abangawenza ebandleni nasemphakathini?
The answer is an overwhelming yes.
Impendulo yalo mbuso uyebo.
In Joel chapter 2 verse 28,
Masifunda incwadi kaJoel chapter 2 ku verse 28.
the Bible has this to say.
IBhayibheli lithi,
It says, and it shall come to pass afterward
IBhayibheli lithi kuzofika
that I will pour out my spirit on all flesh.
la ngizothola umoya wami phezukwa yonke
Your
inyama.
sons and your daughters shall prophesy.
IBhayibheli lithi amadodana namadodakazi wenu
Your old
azoprofeta.
men shall dream dreams.
Lithi abantu abadala bazophupha amaphupho.
Your young men shall see visions.
Lithi abasesebasha bazobona imibono.
So elderly people
Abantu abadala
have a role to play
banendima ekumele
in the
bayidlale
church and in
ebandleni
society.
nasemphakathini.
The Bible
futhi.
says
IBhayibheli
they will
lithi
still dream.
IBhayibheli lithi bazophupha
They will get dreams
amaphupho.
from God.
Bazothola amaphupho abuya kuNkulunkulu.
And young men will see visions.
IBhayibheli lithi amadodana azobona
So we
imbono.
need to stay closer to elderly men
Kumele sizisondeze nabantu abadala
so that they can share with us the dreams they received from God.
ukuze basitshele lembono noma lamaphupho abawathola
You see, they no longer
kuNkulunkulu.
have power and strength to pursue those dreams.
Abasenawo amandla wokuthi balandelele lawo maphupho.
But they need the younger generation to be next to them
Kepha bafuna abantu abasha ukuze babe seduze nabo bakwazi
so
ukulandelela
that they can
amaphupho.
impart the wisdom of God,
Ukuze bagqwalise ukuhlakanipha
the dreams that
kukaNkulunkulu.
they have received from
Amaphupho
God,
bawathole kuNkulunkulu.
so that the young men
Ukuze lo
can run
sesemusha
and pursue those
akwazi
dreams.
ukuthi agijime agijimise le
Old
phupho.
men will dream dreams.
Abantu abadala bazophupha amaphupho.
So elderly people
Abantu
have a
abadala
role to play in society.
banomsebenzi kumele bawenze
Can somebody
emphakathini.
say amen?
Asithini amen.
Now, let me give you 3 roles.
Ithingi
There are many
ngitshela
roles, but let me just give you 3 roles.
ithingi ngibonisa imisebenzi emithathu abantu abadala abangayenza.
The first role,
Okokuqala,
yabantu abadala in society.
umsebenzi wokuqala
And in
abantu
the
abadala
church
abangawenza.
Elderly people are custodians of good values, culture, and traditions.
Abantu abadala baphethwe imithetho ethize esikhule ngayo emihle.
Every culture
Wonke amasiko
has got good things in it
anezinto
and
ezinhle
bad things in it.
kanti futhi anezinto ezimbi.
I'm talking about the good things,
Ngikhuluma ngezinto ezimbi.
good traditions,
Izinto ezinhle amasiko athize
and
sijwayele
good things
ukwenza
in every culture.
wonke
So,
amasiko.
abantu abadala, they are custodians
Abantu abadala yibo abaphethe amasiko.
of our cultures, our traditions.
Baphethe amasiko wethu
Lalelani.
nendlela zethu.
Mhlambe nina niboni, but lalelani. Because things are changing.
Ngenxa yokuthi izinto ziyashintsha.
Some of you,
Abanye benu,
umZulu,
you are a Zulu.
abantwana bakho
Your children,
abazi ukuthi ikhamba yini.
they don't even know what is a calabash.
Dad, what's that?
But
Abanye benu, abantwana benu abazi ukuthi ibheshu yini. Abanye benu, abantwana benu nesizulu abasazi.
some of you, your children don't even know Zulu.
I was talking with a pastor friend.
Ngikhuluma nomngani wami
He said
umfundisi.
this, he said, Mfundisi,
He said, Pastor,
I discovered
yayingathola ukuthi
abantwana bami bahambe baye esikolweni sabelungu. Bafunda isilungu.
my children went to a white school, they learn English.
Mabaqeda imatric I discovered ukuthi abasazi isitswana and singamatswana. Mangikhuluma nabathi, hey dad, what did you say? Hey dad.
Mangithi ngikhuluma nabo ngesitsana bangizwa.
Manje isitswana mabangasazi. Izinto eziright ezigood. Imfihlakalo ezigude nama values agood nama traditions agood esitswana bayowathola kanjani.
Inkinga kuba ukuthi mabangakwazi ukukhuluma ilimi abakwazi ukuthi bathole lezakha lokuhlakanipha okukhona elimini.
angala sibasizeni abantwana bethu ukuthi basazi kangcono isilungu ukuthi sikhuluma isilungu, but please bengicela ukuthi wenze i-timetable ukuthi Monday isishangane, Tuesday isishangane, Wednesday isilungu, please, because uyogcina umshangane unabantwana abakhuluma isilungu abalazi ilwimi lakho.
You will be a Shangan having children who cannot speak Shangan. Abati bulabula Shangan.
Mifanele mfambulabula. So bonani ban labakulu bana milawu,
they've got laws,
natindlela,
they've got ways,
namahanyele
they've got norms
lamanene lama nga kotaka ku hi pfuna
those ones that we need
ku
to
ri
learn
hanya
them,
kahle namuntlha.
so that we do well today.
Bona loko la ku teka nsati
Like when you want to take a wife,
lavakulu lava va nga la
elderly people, those that are here,
a va ta ku byela kahle ku n'wananga
they will tell you,
u nga langutisi ku saseka ntsena,
don't just look at the beauty.
langutisa mintirho ya n'wansati loyi,
Look at the action or the act of this
u
woman.
tlhela u langutisa na muti lowu a humaka ka wona,
Look at the family that this woman is coming
especially
from.
izandla abantu abadala.
Amen.
There is something that they knew. Bebazi ukuthi in Africa,
Bayazi ukuthi Africa
it's not like in the West,
akufani
where
nasebalungwini.
marriage is between, it's just relegated between two people.
La umshado nje kuhlangana abantu ababili.
But in Africa,
EAfrika
marriage, it's not
umshado
just two people.
akubona
It's
abantu
two
ababili.
families.
kodwa. Imindeni emibili.
Bakun'wananga
Bathi mntanami,
angaba sasekile, kasi kaka vona va loya.
bathi awulungile lo mndeni bayaloya.
Se wena uya n'wi teka u tsakisa hi ku saseka,
Wena mawushada usala usithatha nakuloko kungalungi kwakho.
kasi loko a nghena ka muti lowu
Makangena la
u
emzini.
nghena a ri na nqola ya ka vona ya vuloyi.
Ungena nenqola yakibo yobuloyi.
Bheka umuzi aphuma kuwo,
Look at the family where he's
umuzi
coming from.
onjani. I-wisdom ephuma phi leyo? Ephuma kubantu abadala. Are you listening to what I'm saying?
Amen.
And these are the things that we are losing. The current generation is losing because they don't think elderly people have a role to play.
Yilento elahlekela abantu abasha ngoba bacabanga ukuthi akunamsebenzi abantu abadala abangawenza.
They are custodians of good tradition,
Yibo abantu abaphethe amasiko,
like respect.
ukuhlonipha.
Amen. Mawufuna ukufunda ukuhlonipha today, angeke uyifunde inhlonipho kumjito ozalwe ngo-1994.
You won't learn respect from your peer who was born in 1994.
Or you marry a
Seminar.
woman who is born in 1990. Angazange abe nabazali abomkhulu abakwazi ukumakha. Yazi ukuthi i-tragedy namhlanje, i-tragedy uthola
tragedy today.
a 1990
Thola umuntu waka
tries to
1990
get counseling
uzama ukuthola umfundiso.
from a fellow 1990.
Ufundiswa yilo nayo zwala afana naye. Base-
Nimpumputhe nonke musi.
Sesebancane nobabili.
Udinga abantu abadala abake badlula la udlule khona.
You need elderly people who've been through where you are going through now.
Abazokutshela ukuthi mfana mawula wenza kanje.
Those who will tell you that when you are here, this is how you do
That's
things.
why abantu abadala sometimes uzocabanga ukuthi bayaprofita. Bayakubheka nje bakutshela ukuthi yabona wena sewuyathandana wena. Wena
That's why elderly people can look at you and see that you started
angeke
getting to the relationship.
badribule man.
You can't trick them.
Bangahluleka ukusenda i-email nokungena ku WhatsApp, but
They
with
may
life
fail to send
bakubheka
an
nje
email
ebusweni.
to WhatsApp, but they look at you.
Ukhulelwe wena ngiyabona emehlweni.
Yeah. Bayakubheka umfana nje basho bathi mfana umqama usafike ekudeni.
Asimshaleni izandla uMasuku. If you want to learn,
mawufuna
let me say this to
ukufunda
younger generation. If you want to learn about life,
mawufuna ukufunda ngempilo
don't go to the internet.
ungayi ku-internet
Vakashela umkhulu nogogo.
visit your grandmother or grandfather
Or go to your parents who are old.
yebazalini
Build
bakho
a
abadala
relationship and ask questions.
buza imibuzo
Uyabona ma unomkhulu